Okay, so this was not 1 hour in the speed paint, at least. Like, you guys are seeing it sped up, so it's obviously not 1 hour. But in reality, when I was actually creating this, I looked back on the original timing, like by 1 second, and apparently this took me 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour. Now, of course, it's sped up, so it's not actually 1 hour, but this originally, with the normal speed of me actually making this at the moment, it took me 1 hour. Yeah, it took me 1 hour to make this. I mean, I put a lot of effort into it, so I hope you guys like it. Anyways, enjoy the speed paint.